The game I'm going to teach is called Gift Exchange. This is good for kids of all abilities because you can explore your imagination verbally and non-verbally with this game. It is where you're given a gift, and it could be any gift, so you have to go with the flow. So if you're given spaghetti or an old shoe or a pot of gold, no matter what, you have to say thank you or smile if you would prefer or that feels better. And you act out or tell us what you're gonna do with that gift. So if it's an old shoe, I'd be like, oh, I'm gonna turn this shoe into a flower pot. Or you can act like you're putting on the shoe and going on a run. So it's good for children who are verbal, nonverbal, and all abilities. Thanks, and this game was Gift Exchange. You can find more of my games in the Brains Playground using improv games to teach social and emotional learning, written by me, Maja Watkins. Thank you so much. Have a good day.